Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Roblox and your game keeps crashing to desktop, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox crashing to desktop easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's drivers. So I'm going to show you AMD first, afterwards I'll show you Intel and Nvidia. You're going to go into resources and support, click drivers. You're going to scroll down, click graphics here, click Radeon RX and then select your graphic card series along with the model. Click submit then. Click your operating system and download the latest AMD adrenaline drivers. Now I'm going to show you Intel. You're going to go on to intel.com, click on to support here at the top left corner of the page, and then click download center. You're going to click on to graphics here. You're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc A750 for example, and then you're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers and install them. Now I'll show you NVIDIA. You're going to go on to nvidia.com, click on to drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form, click find then, and it will find you the latest GeForce Game Ready drivers. Once it's done finding the drivers for you, now you're going to download the latest drivers and install them. After you're done installing the drivers, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here add or remove programs, and then you're going to search for Roblox on here. And then you're going to go ahead and uninstall Roblox now. Don't worry, we're going to reinstall the game. Once it's done uninstalling from your computer, you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to search for Microsoft Store, and then you're going to search for Roblox here, and you're going to download Roblox from the Microsoft Store because the Microsoft Store version is more stable than the one you can find in other places. So just install it from here, and once it's done installing, you're going to go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that it will work correctly. You'll not face those crashes anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.